If you're a plantain lover, get in here because this recipe will blow your mind. Hi guys, welcome back to Ria's Kitchen. So the first thing we're going to do is to cut our ripe plantain into small pieces like this and boil it in a pot. Meanwhile, fry the sausage until done. Once cooked, peel off the plantain skin and mash it with a potato masher. Okay, the next thing is to crack in 1 egg, add a half cup of sugar, 2.5 cups of flour, baking powder and salt. Mix everything together until you form a dough like this. On a flat surface, sprinkle some flour and place the dough on it. Cut the dough into 4 pieces, okay? So use a rolling pin to flatten each pieces. Then spread some pizza sauce on top and add your sausage and then top it up with some cheese. You can also use chicken, beef or any protein of your choice, okay? Then the next thing we're going to do is to seal up the edges with a fork and then heat up oil in a pan. So make sure the oil is not too hot, okay? Go ahead and fry that until it turns golden brown, just like this. You can as well bake it if you like, okay? I think it's more healthier. So guys, this is what we have. This recipe is so delicious. Let me know if you're giving this a try in the comment section.